It is a party somewhere. Da, 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 da. We're back with Mike. In the room. Playing
Play
the
video
Godfather.
games. And not trying to die. Some bitch.
Just trying to stay alive.
Yeah, where the hell's my house at?
Da, 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 da.
There we go.
I haven't seen my man in a while.
This is great.
Working the weather, the sun is up, and I don't
Mute him up. Make a new video.
Dude, this Mikey dude just comes out of nowhere and just blows your fucking head off. Cause why? You're gangster, dog. It won't come off! It's stuck! Wait, that's it. It's stuck. Oh, wait, no, it came off. It's reloading.
Oh shit.
Oh! It blew up! Dude, I can't wait till Tommy comes down here to fuck with him.
Yeah, right? And if I can stay tonight, dude, my stepdad would put me in the dick.
That is so true, dog. And wait till you finish it tonight because that's what we're doing. Night!
What? What? I'm playing a game. Leave me the hell alone.